Hey guys, this is Sarah here at Glad Girl, and last video I showed you how to apply strip lashes, and this video I'm going to be taking you through how to cleanse and remove lashes if you have strip lashes on, and also you can use this regimen for your lash extension care 2 to 3 times per week at home to wash your lashes. Come on in. This is what we're gonna need. Today I chose our Wash and Wink Foaming Cleanser. This one's my favorite because it's really gentle on the eyes. Foaming wash brush, super soft, cup of water. So because I'm removing and washing off strip lashes, I have makeup wipes handy to clean up the extra makeup. If you're just cleansing your lash extensions, you're not gonna need those. So take your Wash and Wink and just give like 2 pumps in your hand. It's like the size of a quarter. And then wet your brush. I like to dab off the water. So this is like a damp brush. And then pick up a little dollop, maybe like half a dime size. So you're gonna take your little dollop and just work it into your lash line, gently closing your eye. Just do one at a time. If you have like a really intense adhesive on, you might wanna use a little bit of coconut oil first. Wash, 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 and then I'm gonna dip in the water. And then start to remove the foam with the water. There they go. They're off pretty easily. And I'm gonna take my little makeup wipe, wipe up and under to keep the soap out of your eye. And then just take a little swipe through. They should start to come off pretty easily. Voila. If you pull and there's any resistance, just add a little bit more soap and a little bit more of the circular motion. You shouldn't feel any resistance. And then voila. Okay, let's do that one more time. So a little dollop. Pretty low maintenance. And you don't need to disturb the rest of the makeup on your face. And then they should just come off with a little wipe. Yeah, no resistance at all. And that was pretty heavy duty glue that I had on. This little under wipe. Clean up extra liner. And we did it. Okay, lash lovers, don't forget to keep your lashes squeaky clean, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's any videos you want to see made. I would love your feedback, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Wink with conditioner. This lash wash, a lot of eyeliner on and mascara over these strip lashes. Let me start again. So you won't need those wipes. Let me do that different. And then I have our special, I did it?